In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add videos to HubSpot content. In order to do that, you first need to head over here into your marketing. Then for this case, you can find some other options for actual content. You can also click on the content itself and click onto this website pages. And onto this case, we can just add right here our actual video. Choose right here your page. I'll head over and choose right here my home page. Once you have clicked on it, it will open the editor. So in order to add video to this particular content, you just actually need to add a video module. So let's add our video module right around after this. So click on this plus icon. And then in here you can see theme options as well as other modules. For this expand media, you can see right here options such as audio player and the likes. If you can find video, you can proceed to search right here for video. Here it is. So just drag and drop it right here. And once you have done that, it will be added onto this part. You can just embed a URL or embed code so it can actually add the video itself. So that's all there is today. And if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to sign up using your affiliate links in the given description. Thanks for watching and I will see you in our next video.